Today is a great day to make new friends, okay? I don't think that I've ever related to something more in my whole life, being an adult and trying to make friends. So I asked my newest friend, Nicole DeCosta, to join me right here on the couch.
Bestie for the restie.
That's right. We love it. Nicole, how do we make friends?
Well, okay, so you moved, this is scary, to a whole new city, which a lot of people do for job and as life goes on. You know what I mean? All of our friends from high school and college have all moved around. It's always awkward. We just got to keep putting ourselves out there.
I know. And we had this quick little discussion yesterday, and it was like, okay, I want to make new friends, but how do I go about it? Sometimes when you work with people, work is a great place
100%.
to find like friendly people and new friends. But sometimes I feel like I'm encroaching on someone's life. I'm like, she saw me all week at work. She does not want to hang out. Like, and if I ask,
I do, trust me.
If I ask, then I'm feeling like I'm putting you on the spot, and that's not really nice. And it's like,
but the funny thing is everyone feels that way.
Yeah.
So it's like I will think, oh, should I reach out to this person? I don't know. I haven't talked to them in a while. Maybe they don't want to hear from me. We all put that on ourselves, but really, people love being reached out to.
Yeah.
No one has ever texted or called me, and I've been like, ugh, they invited me to do something again.
How dare you ask me to go to lunch? What?
Horrible. A movie? I mean, it's not going to happen. You just got to keep putting yourself out there, and the best friends are the ones that just make it easy. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Like, I know you can think of 5. I can think of 5 of people that just good, bad, they're there. We laugh. I don't see them for a year. We're still cool. You know, whatever.
Yeah, absolutely. And you know, like you were saying, moving from home, and it's so easy to be like, I could just call Christina and we could go to lunch right now. But you don't have that.
She's not here.
Yeah, you don't have that in a new city. And I'm actually, so funny that we just had that Bumble video.
Yes.
I'm actually on the Bumble Friends app.
I know. So what's it like? Like, can you just be like, let's go get brunch or something?
You could. I still am like uneasy on like the apps and meeting people through the internet.
Yeah.
I don't know. I just feel like
no, me too. Me too.
Yeah, it's
a
little touchy. Yeah. But yeah, it works kind of just like the dating thing.
Okay,
You
what if we do it together?
Okay.
Like invite like some Bumble person, like let's go to get brunch and like all come and like a couple folks in the office. Then it's like a group and we're not scared or weird and you're not by yourself on a weird date.
That's perfect because that's what sometimes people do with dates. They're like, okay, we can meet up, but it's going to be either my friend is sitting at the table behind us
100%.
with the menu watching to make sure he's not really crazy, or it's like a group thing. So yeah, we should do
it and come back and do like a little experiment.
If you guys want to be our friends, just sign up on Bumble. We'll swipe and we might get together.
I think you just got to keep putting yourself out there. It's awkward for everyone, but the payoff is so good.
Yeah.
We're not meant to be alone. The pandemic's over.
Absolutely. Lifelong friends. Okay, now it is time to get into today's forecast.